How to create a professional Facebook business page. Creating a professional Facebook business page is simple and free, and it's one of the best ways to build an online presence for your brand or service. Start by opening the Facebook mobile app and tapping the menu icon. Scroll down and tap Pages, then choose Create. Tap Get Started, and Facebook will walk you through the steps. Enter your page name, which should match your business or brand. Then choose a category to help people understand what your page is about. Add a short description to introduce your page and let visitors know what you offer. Next, upload the profile picture and cover photo to make your page look professional. This can be your logo and a banner that fits your brand. After creating the page, you can add details like your website, contact info, location, and business hours. Then start posting. Invite friends to follow, and use Meta Business Suite to manage content and track performance. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.